This video, all it is about is me burping. Just take off the glasses so I get more focused. Oh yeah, let's keep on going.
Yeah, you motherfucker.
Broke off then.
What you gonna do now, bitch? Yeah.
That's enough for now.